temporary life annuities. For temporary life annuities, it works the same way as the life annuities. It's just that it has the period or the limits of the time for the contract. For example, if it is a temporary life annuities for 10 years, and then the contract will end at 10 years. So after 10 years, there's no longer contract between policyholders and also the insurance company. So let's look at this timeline. Let's assume that the payment is $1 paid continuously every year. Okay, so the present value of the random variables, we are going to divide it into two periods, which is one before n years and another one which is after n years. So for before n years, it will be depending whether the person is survive or not between these years. So it will be VTX for TX is lesser or equals to n years, lesser than n years. But then if it is after n years, somewhere here, so that means that the person's already surviving this n period. So that means that the insurance company already paid for the persons up until the n period. So it will be fixed for n. So this would be the present value of the random variable. The expected present value of the random variable will be the expected of all of this. So for the expected present value of this random variable, if you look at these two, it looks like similar to the endowment insurance. Okay, so you are going to have A bar xn, which is the actuarial notation, is equals to 1 minus A bar xn over delta. And the variance of y will be equals to the variance of this whole thing. I'll write it here. Variance of y will be equals to variance of this whole thing, which is variance of the endowment insurance. So you are going to get similar ways you are getting for the life insurance, to A bar xn minus A bar xn square over delta square. This would be for the temporary whole life insurance. If you want to find it through another method for the expected value of y, so the second method of finding the expected value of y, you can also do the integrations of the PDF similar to the whole life insurance. It's just that now the limit would be up until n years. So this one is for per interval, for any t interval, and then times with TPX ux plus t dt. Or if you are looking at the survival probability, Vt TPX dt. You see here, you didn't have anything before Vt because the payment is $1. If the payment is more than $1, then you have to times with the payment. Okay, that's it for the continuous temporary annuity.